Sabah everybody and welcome back to the channel. While Honor was announcing the brand new Honor View 20 at CES 2019 this year, they also slipped in one device with a new updated color that you may have noticed on my Instagram account, and that is the brand new Phantom Blue Honor 8X. This is TK and let's do a quick hands-on with the brand new color. So it's pretty simple, the Honor 8X with AI. And here we have the device. The only way I could describe it is very simple. We have basically a gradient color going from purple on one side all the way to blue to the other side. The optics and the specifications that we have here are pretty much the same. The 20 and 2 megapixel sensors in the back, dual tone LED flash, fingerprint sensor, and pretty much, all the glass on the back. But the color representation here, it's easy to see. You can pretty much see it right there. So the purplish hues are right there. And then of course it kind of just gradiates over to the right side with blue. And you can just get that nice little shimmer. It looks absolutely fantastic. The rest of the contents of the box are pretty much standard micro USB to USB type A. This is a Chinese style plug, but I think pretty much works in the US as well. And of course we have free case, SIM ejector tool, probably some information in there. No headphones, as this pretty much has a headphone jack. So let's go ahead and find it, it's right there. Overall, as far as the specifications, we have here is a 6.5-inch display. This is an IPS panel. Let's go ahead and power it on. Basically pretty much just like a 1080p panel similar to the other one. We do have a notch at the top. We obviously have the earpiece and the front facing sensor. What we have here essentially is the best that we have as far as the Honor 8X. The back sensors, as I mentioned, is a 20 and a 2 megapixel sensor, but the front one is a 16 megapixel sensor that's sitting right there. Now this ROM, it seems like it's running the Chinese version of the ROM because I don't see Google Play services installed. So the model number is JSN-AL00. It is running EMUI 8.2 with Android 8.1. Clearance 710 is powering this system, as well as 6 gigs of RAMs with 128 gigs of internal storage. And of course, this is a 1080p panel, as I mentioned to you guys, with the security patch update of November 1st. So all in all, this is pretty much a standard Honor 8X. Again, just for the most part, a brand new gradient color. And you can kind of see right there, the purplish tones here transitioning over to blue. Same position, same big display, 1080p. We do have a notch, but I'm hoping that the next generation of the Honor 8X, maybe the Honor 9X, will probably end up going to what we have on the View 20, which essentially is basically that little pinhole camera that we have on the top left. But other than that, the camera setup is pretty much the same. We have AI. This will go ahead and say later on this one. You can turn on the AI mode in the back to use either the 20 megapixel sensor in the back, or you can of course switch it over to the front and then be able to use the front facing, let's go and switch over to photo, front facing 16 megapixel sensor that's sitting at the top. And of course we have all the additional modes that we have here. We have HDR, AR lenses. Yeah, I know, this on my hand. We'll go back one more time into the camera and then into the settings. Resolution as far as the camera, front 16 megapixels, as we said before. Let's go to video and we'll double check that. Top resolution is 720p, but I have a feeling I have one of these settings on. Yeah, smiling mode is on. So top resolution on the front facing camera, as we'd expect, 1080p. And if we go to the back facing sensor, top resolution is full HD at 60 frames per second. And again, this is just basically using the back sensor. So all in all, I think it's pretty good. What do you expect from the 8X? It's a great budget phone. Definitely a really good entry phone, and definitely now looking a lot better. The color looks a lot better in person than it does on camera, and I'm going to try to take some more pictures of this to share with you guys on social media. But overall, this is definitely a really nice addition to the Honor 8X line. We've had the black, the red, the blue, and now we have the gradient Phantom Blue, basically. And I think if you're looking for more information, the best way to say it, give it a little bit more time. It's coming out. It's a new color. I'm hoping that maybe we'll hear some more around the maybe Honor View 20 announcement in the next couple of weeks. But overall, definitely very nice. Great budget phone, great features, and now in an even newer color in 2019. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Like and subscribe as usual. Thank you very much for the support, and I'll see you guys in the next video.